All right, check out these tube lights. Oh, sorry, these tube lights. These are some of the coolest tube lights that I've seen. Perfect for DJs, musicians, if you're shooting music videos and you're looking for some cool light sticks. This is one of the most complete packages I've seen, and it comes in this phenomenal case. This is a strong case. Now these lights are basically like shatterproof. They're not glass, so they're not gonna easily break on you, but it's nice to have this professional case. So in that case, you have spots for your 4 light sticks. You have 4 different remote controls, if you want to control them separately, or you can control them all together at once. And each remote control does come with batteries. It also comes with a base and stand that gives it a little bit of height, so you can have it adjusted how you need it, so it can sit on the ground, or you can even mount this thing on any other mounts because it does have that quarter thread. They also include little ball heads as well, so you can use those. But beyond controlling them with the remote control, you can also control it through the app. So they have their own app and it connects to them, and you can easily set them up as groups. You can change them around, really make the light show pop. I love just having them in the background of my videos. I think it just adds that a little bit of extra fun to it. So you can either go through the solid colors, you can change the modes, you can adjust the brightness, and even have it set to auto. So it can just automatically go through whatever it wants to go through. But the mode's great. It's got a bunch of different modes. Really cool. Like that one, I think, it hears me talking and it goes off of that. So it has like little microphones in them. And yeah, that's really cool. So you can shuffle through all of those, see which one you like the best. Look at that. There's so many going on behind me right now. How amazing is that? If you are in a band, you're looking for some cool light sticks just to add that extra bit of excitement. I think DJs and weddings, this is amazing for any venues, for just at home, for a good vibe outside by the pool if you're having a party. These are IP65 waterproof. So if it starts raining, you're all right, you're covered. It's powered by 3 built-in 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. They take about 3 to 4 hours to charge fully. And at 100% brightness, you get from 3 to 6 hours. At low brightness, you get about 6 to 12 hours. And that's perfect for any gigs or just whatever you're doing. You can even have them plugged in with USB-C and just have them charging the whole time as well, just so that they're on continuously. So I love these tube lights. I, as a videographer, have been looking for good tube lights that can stand up when you have like a big open area, then you want to shoot some like music videos, and then you can have someone just adjusting the lights like this. Again, there's so many cool modes that just look phenomenal. Definitely the best tube lights that I've seen, especially with all that you get. So if you're looking for some really good party lights, I highly recommend these, and thanks for watching.